Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot edit video. There was an error loading this video. So guys, if you are trying to edit your videos on your iPhone but you're facing this message again and again and you are unable to edit your video on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device, scroll it below, tap on general, again scroll it below, tap on iPhone storage and make sure that you are having enough storage in your iPhone. So if your iPhone storage is full, then delete some useless data, and after this go back and now open your gallery, and from here you have to simply go to your album and now scroll it below, tap on recently delete and input your recently deleted photos or videos in your device from here. So guys, select all the videos from here or the other pictures, tap on delete all and delete all, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you're still facing this problem then force restart your device for one time. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.